Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are talking lubrication for your marine equipment, whether it's a boat, watercraft, or any jet ski. We are talking lubrication, and in this video I want to share with you a very trustworthy, reliable, strong, and recommended grease or lubrication for your marine equipment. Let's take a look. It is a Sierra brand marine engine and drive parts, and Sierra Pro Performance Grease. I want to read this: specifically formulated to lubricate and protect marine equipment. This is for your bearings and splines for greasing, whether it's a drive shaft or any type of moving parts that require grease in your marine equipment. Onto the back, I'll read this real quick because you will get extreme pressure lubricant designed for maximum resistance to fresh and saltwater washout. That is cool. Tremendous sealing capabilities, prevent contaminations of vital components, and provides excellent lubrication at varying temperatures. So this is a very popular, again, respected and recommended grease brand right there. So you'll need a grease gun. I'll pop this top off here. As you can see here, that's what the grease looks like. So that's it. That's all I wanted to show you. A very popular and recommended brand, again, the Sierra lubricant. Definitely check that out in your local marina when it comes time to greasing your marine equipment.